recently found out about this online strategy that can make you hundreds to thousands of dollars online. I have actually spoken about this once or twice on my channel before, but in this video I'm going to actually release a much better and updated way of doing this. And this will work in every country in the world, so there's no excuse for this not to work in any of your countries or any of the countries in the world. This is accepted worldwide. And you don't need to do any of the cold hard work yourself, as remember, these days there's lots of software tools, generation tools, automation tools that can do all of the hard work for you. All you've got to do is set up one or two things like I'm going to show you in this video, and boom, you will start to see your first commissions online. You don't need any social media following, you don't need a website, you don't need to be known, you don't need to be in front of a camera. We're not going to be paying for ads, we're not going to be spamming affiliate links anywhere. This is actually a strategy that really works, something very different, as this is really going to be something unique and a well improved strategy than on the previous videos that I've made in the past. And if you guys want to get the chance to win daily money giveaways or free course giveaways of courses that I've paid for in the past, I am now posting daily on my second channel valuable courses and videos from online paid courses that I've taken that I'm now providing on my channel for free. As you can see, my latest video I've uploaded today, and I'm going to be uploading every single day on this channel, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway in each and every video. So on today's video over here, I suggest you go and check it out. I'm doing a $10 giveaway, so I'll leave a link down below to this channel down below. If you want to go, definitely get a chance to win some giveaways and also some amazing value on this channel. And if you guys are new to this channel as well, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur from South Africa. I do affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, all sorts of online businesses and entrepreneurship from home on a full-time basis. I don't stop working. It is my extreme passion to work online and at the same time record videos on that and document my various journeys and strategies. So I myself have discovered some of the latest ways to make money online, and I'm posting that on a daily basis on both my channels. So you're welcome to go subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload the latest video, so that you can be the first to that and beat your competition online and ultimately make the most money online. But without further ado, we're going to get into the first website. So step number one, really easy. We're going to come over to this website over here, Scribd.com. So Scribd.com is a website where we can go and get books, magazines, audiobooks, documents. You can stay informed on some of the latest topics around the world. It's a really known website. People on Forbes, Los Angeles Times, Today, these kind of companies, these are the biggest companies in the world that is associated with this website. And you can see some people creating some ebooks with covers, different articles. But where I'm going with this is, since this is such a well-known website and I quickly want to show you, make sure that you keep watching because I want to reveal something really awesome to you guys, is I did a quick background check on this website. Scribd.com on SimilarWeb is an analyst tool where we can discover how much traffic a website is getting. You can see that this website is currently the 480th biggest website in the world. Now, if you think about it, there's millions of websites online. So 480 is not a bad ranking, and currently the 16th biggest website in its niche, which is education. Have a look at this. This website is currently getting 93.68 million views and total visits every single month. 93 million views in October. We actually had close to 94 million views in May 2020, and it's been pretty consistent throughout. So the views on this website is really high, and this is great because we can actually utilize this website with the strategy that I'm going to show you to get a piece of this pie and make some big money online. Therefore, our second step is going to be coming back to Scribd. You want to sign in or create your account if you don't have one. Click on the sign in button. Over here you'll see there's a question that says new to Scribd. If you're new, click on sign up. You can sign up with your Facebook or your Google account. I usually do that as just much quicker, or you can go sign up with your email. So you enter your name, email, and your password. So once you've logged into your account, you are going to see that you have access to all of these different best-selling ebooks, exclusive Scribd originals, magazines, what we're reading about this week, news and noteworthy, and all sorts of other trending topics right now. And you can also access your profile, your settings, your public profile, document uploads. You can read all of these books completely for free. A lot of them are free, some are paid. You can also get audiobooks and magazines. And we're going to leave the second step here for now. We need to move on to the third step. Make sure to keep watching because this is super important. We can then come over to a website called either freeplrdownloads.com, or another great one is plrdatabase.com or .net, not .com. And you can see tons of ebooks, video courses, giveaways. You can see there's like a whole email marketing influence course, a living a purpose driven life course, killer traffic generation tactics. So there's a whole bunch of free ebooks, free value and information on these websites that you're welcome to go and read through and take yourself just to improve your knowledge. but we can actually go and use this and make big money online with this. I mean, take a look at some of these niches. These are all niches we can go and use to monetize and make money online, such as addiction, advertising, affiliate marketing, blogging, beauty, business, ClickBank, copywriting, email marketing, finance, internet marketing, law of attraction, media, software, time management, trading, WordPress, even wine is a topic on here. Here's YouTube. So there's so many different topics, niches. What I'm trying to get you to understand there is so many different niches, so many different ways to make money online with this. There's literally no ideas to run out of with this strategy. So let's say, for example, I want to use this ebook or article over here called Free PLR Snapchat Marketing 101, which is an ebook all about Snapchat marketing and making money on Snapchat. So we can go and download this. You'll see over here, click on download, and this is now successfully on your PC after you've downloaded that. So you can come over to the folder that you've extracted. Over here is an entire ebook, an article on Snapchat marketing. It's not extremely long, but it's also not extremely short. And what we can do is you can actually see here, like a Snapchat marketing plan is a nice little article that we can go and use from this. So you want to actually go select some of this text. Let's just select this section. For example, Snapchat marketing plan. We can also use sending content. I would say just choose that piece for now. And then you want to open up any one of your word editors, such as Microsoft Office. In this case, I use LibreOffice Writer, or you can go and use the free Google Docs on docs.google.com. So let's just, for this purpose, since everyone probably has access to Google Documents, we can go and paste our entire article here. Let me just go recopy this. It didn't quite copy. And there we go. So I'm just going to centerize this and also make this a bit bigger just to make it look like a heading. And I'm just going to neaten this up a little bit, increase the size of this. And here you can see is a little article on a Snapchat marketing plan. And then before we continue with this, you want to come over to a website called Digistore24, which is the fourth step. You want to go create an account or log in with your account details. I already have an account with Digistore24 that I created today, just to show you what a new account looks like. This is what your dashboard is going to look like when you land on it. And you want to come over to this section over here called the marketplace. And what we want to go and do is we want to go and find an affiliate product that we can actually go and put in this Google document. So you can see here, for example, Overnight Millionaire Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, which is an entire course on affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission of $44.33 with this. The True Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, $176 commission for this course. Done for You Services Affiliate Marketing System hot offer, you're going to earn $556. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this particular course called, I actually know the name of it and I've promoted it myself before. If I search Crestani, you can actually see John Crestani's Super Affiliate System 2020. You're going to earn $1,500 per sale. So this is a very high ticket course, but what's really great about this, if I actually come over to his landing page, he actually offers an entire free training, a free webinar. So when people land on this, they're going to see, okay, cool, free training. There's no harm in signing up for this because they're not paying for anything. And that free training will then hook people into the paid course, explaining what kind of results they'll get from this course. So the whole funnel of John Crestani's course has been built so well to really convert your traffic into high ticket sales. And as you can see here, you're going to earn a commission of $1,522, which is a 50% commission on this course. Over here, you can see is your affiliate link. So you just want to go and copy this, come back to your Google Documents, and you want to highlight text throughout this entire document. So let's highlight this, for example, creating a market plan. We can highlight this, paste this here. So when people click on this text, it's going to take them to this free training where we'll upsell them to that big course. We can also go highlight, for example, let's go free training on how to monetize Snapchat and other social media platforms and make money online from your mobile phone. We can go and highlight this entire text. We can go highlight this and add a link to this as well. So now let's connect to our affiliate link. And this is actually perfect. It's a simple little article explaining what a good Snapchat marketing plan is. We can go and save this, or we can go and download this as a PDF. I suggest you need to go and download this. So let's click on this button. Let's click on this button over here. We want to go File, click on Download, and you want to click on Microsoft Word, and you want to download it as a Word document. And the following step from here is the last and final, but the most important step to making money online with this. this. You want to come back to Scribd over here. You want to click on upload. On this page, you want to click on select documents to upload. You want to come choose that document that we've just downloaded off of Google Docs. You want to enter your title, a little description, and then from there we just click done. We can say here, skyrocket earnings, your earnings online with the use of Snapchat and affiliate marketing. We can say this, read this article and get access to one of the best make money online live webinars and training for absolutely free. And you want to say this because you want to entice people, you want to get people, or you want to give them a reason to download your PDF. So when they see this, they're getting access to one of the best make money online live webinars and trainings. They're obviously going to download this and want to see what that's all about. And that's how you're going to get people through your affiliate link. I mean, if you focus, let's take a goal here. I love setting goals, and it's a great way to really get your mind in the game and get a lot of money online and really hype yourself up as well. Is if you, for example, let's come back to Digistore 24, focus on one sale per week. You work at this every day and you try to get one high ticket sale every week. Let's work that out. $1,522 times 4, there's 4 weeks in a month. That is $6,000 in a month. In my country, that's over 100,000 Rand, which is 6 figures, which is what the top people in our country earn. That's just 4 sales a month. That could be a great goal, working at this every day with a strategy like this, producing little ebooks, getting people to then click on your link in these ebooks by downloading that, and you want to post this everywhere and provide value by providing these articles. Even one sale a month, $1,500, that is still a lot of extra income. And after that, you want to make sure that you've got make this document private is set off, because you want this to be accessible to the public. Hidden settings, you want to have copy and paste text, download the original document, and you want to have copyright licensing done. Once it's done, click on done, and we can go and view our documents. And you can see this document is now being prepared to be posted publicly on Scribd for people to go and download. Once a few people go and download this, you can also go post this on your Instagram story or your Snapchat story or your Facebook or whatever social media platform you're using. Get 1 or 2 downloads going so that the Scribd algorithm can start to boost this post, and eventually traffic from Scribd will start downloading this post. And like I said, one sale a week is $1,500 a week. But just quickly before I go, be sure to subscribe down below to my main channel and my second channel down below. I'm having giveaways every single day on my second channel just to give back and help as many of you as I can as possible through my videos. But in tomorrow's video, I'm going to release another awesome video just like this one. I'm posting on the daily on both channels, so you're welcome to go and check that out. But on the screen above, I'll also leave a link to my best playlist where you can go and see more really valuable videos on different social media platforms, affiliate marketing, and ClickBank products as well. You're welcome to go and check that out on the screen if you want to learn some more there. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.